Good morning. Well, actually, it's afternoon, isn't it? Let's go. I'm just going to get some links here going. Let's go. Oh, that stinks. Like, how's it going? A little bit too many characters for this. So I'll do it in two. How about this? Oh, no, that stinks, Willa. You got the fourth. Yeah, I saw that ear, man. Things you do for a sport. A couple scalps today. Nothing big. Obviously, for the giveaway, you need to be like and subscribe. And then sponsor the giveaway is Nexgen, so go follow them on Twitter. It's just been chopping. This 15-minute looks funny as hell. Look at that. It's crazy. Need to get this out Discord still. I'm running way behind. Vet came today. Yeah, I had a little vet checkup with my dog today. Doing good. Yeah, we got a little AI generated intro song Willa made for me. Appreciate it. Okay, almost done. Sorry, guys. Running behind today, like I said. Vet was a little late today, and that's fine. It's great to have a vet that can show up at your house and, you know, look at your dog and whatnot. Hey, Whistle, how's it going? What's up, Rick? How you doing? Good, good. I have nothing really to go over on my trades because they're just quick scalps. I sent them in Discord. So a lot of you saw them. There's some 1 minute scalps. Trying to scalp this range a little heavy. Make sure I'm off of NQ. No, I'm on NQ still. It's going on NQ. That was a nice little move up. Played all the levels today that I posted, but wanted to really touch into this 4-hour fair value gap. It stopped short after it swept Asia and London low and then ripped. This would have been a good place to scalp, but this was barcoded, and it's one of my rules. I don't trade the barcode. I got to get more into scalping mindset when I'm trading that barcode, though, I guess. This is going up and down. These guys saw up and down, up and down, up and down. Whistle, don't work too hard. Enjoy your time. I haven't even looked at Bitcoin today at all. I know some alts ripped, like Sui and Deep ripped this weekend. I think they're retracing now. Actually, if I go over here, we can take a bigger look. See what the daily looks like. Let's get rid of all of indicators. Don't need those. Still going. Still had that pullback we talked about on Friday or Thursday. We're thinking that it might pull back in here. Yeah, Thursday, Friday. We wanted to bounce exactly where it did and start running back up again. That's nice. Oh, NQ, Willa, sorry. Good point, Willa, good point. NQ. We will be calling NQ on the, what is it, the 11:14, I'm a 12:14 p.m. candle. Have to get your guesses in by 2:10. So you got a little bit. It'll be on NQ. Whatever the NQ 14-minute 2:14 closes at. So we got a little bit. Whistle is currently long on MON USDT. I don't think I've heard of that. Let's take a look. Got in at 3 cents, 0.0347. It's a good entry so far. Looks like it might want to continue this. You know, let's go. Good luck with that. What's up, Captain? Edge, how's it going? A lot of you caught these trades this morning. It's against my rules, so I did not trade it. I wanted to, should have, on this sweep. This sweep is where I should have got in. I'm like, I was joking in chat, like, are we gonna get four barcodes? And we did. 15 just barcoded. Got 5 of them actually. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got a 5th one. That was crazy. But what if you look over an ES? People were talking about this. ES just was clean. Should have been keeping an eye on ES, right? Look how much cleaner ES is than what NQ did. Night and day. Night and day. Yeah, so I just took 1 minute scalp. 2 of them. I'm not up much. And didn't copy trade these ones either, so I'm not up that much today. I'm up something. Like 250, 300. Nothing big. I go heavy on my scalps. And I have another account loaded in case I want to take another one. How'd you all fare this morning? Did you sit on your hands? Did you get... It's like the London traders did all right. They got in early on this pump here at open. Not 100% sure what they got into, but let's take a little fibby and see if it was a 76 or something. Have a good one, Whistle. Appreciate you stopping in. Didn't even quite get to the 76. This was just bullish as hell right off the bat. I expected a sweep of London, then maybe Asia, and then back down. Just didn't give me any kind of real entry that I wanted. And then it started barcoding. Brutal, brutal, brutal. And it swept. Nice little run, London run, London Rage. Nope. London Range Runner, not Rage Runner. Although that was pretty raging down. Do I want to do a tweet? I was just going to keep this right here because I don't want to get too... I mean, yeah, sure. Yeah, I know. They'll actually do a lot for me if I say that I'm doing a giveaway. I'm leaving for a week, so I don't want to use that opportunity now and have people, shitload of new people join and then I go missing for a week. But I did promise that I'll do 2 giveaways this week, so I'm going to do 2 giveaways this week. For the old school peeps. But yeah, just go follow Nexgen on Twitter. They'll definitely retweet. They'll post it in their Discord. Jump in their Discord too. There's like 5,100 people in there. They have some pretty damn good traders. They have verified 15, 20-year traders in there. It's a new prop, but they're starting off on the right foot. Man, I wish I'd been paying attention to my email on Monday. They were doing free resets, and their evals are 1-day pass. So that would have been nice. They had free resets, all unlimited free resets, all day Friday. I don't know how often they're going to do that, but that was nice. This is just going to keep grinding this area. Let's map out. Oh, let's map out Bitcoin. And this is still, yeah, that's literally unreal, right? Unlimited resets with 1 day to pass. Yes, please. And they give you enough. They give you enough contracts to be super aggressive on it. I think they give you 10 contracts. They have really easy eval rules. Simple, like no hedging. Obviously, they don't let you trade news though, unless you're in 1 minute before. So if you want to trade news, a lot of props do that. Just 1 minute before. Bitcoin's looking bullish, huh? Last week's levels are no longer relevant. Got a 15-minute change in state of delivery here. Let's get it on the big screen. Look at that wick top. Let's see if it comes down and tests this order block here. Got some targets up there. Let's see what it looks like on the higher time frame. See what the 4 hours looking like. 4 hours looking kind of bullish if it wants to push. You see that? Yeah, the second deviation of that 15-minute order block is right at just about that wick. So there's a good target if we want to stay bullish. It's almost 2, so Nexgen is NQ and all that. Gold, silver, oil. 50K I'm giving away. And if you pass, I also have a discount code for 40% off the activation fee. Or when you do pass. And I'll be starting trading them once I'm back. I'm going to take y'all through a journey of me passing an eval to getting funded to getting a payout, or failing miserably in front of all you, which is always an option, and that's just fine because that's part of trading. I'd really like to show you how I like start with one and I build them up, and then I get payouts and then move, and how I reinvest that, and then how I fund myself under that way. Got to treat this like a business, guys. Because hobby for me, but everything I do as a hobby, it turns out pretty serious. I think I'm on my 250,000 Apex. It's in a little bit of drawdown. It's my experimental account because I'm currently banned from Apex. Oh, sorry. They're looking at me to go live from Apex. They just don't ever give an update. And probably since I'm abusing this account too much, they're probably not paying too close attention to it. It's just looking like it could drop from here too. Let's take a look at what I gotta figure. 15. It's too messy. Wish I could, let's see here. I accidentally closed out a window. Looks like it wants to dump. You're in a short or a long deuce. No, I forgot what I was doing now. Let's close that window. Oh no, you comment right here with what you think will be the 214 close. Oh yeah, that's what. My streaming software is weird. It's not letting me sign into YouTube, but I get the chat all right. I just can't do anything in it. I have to chat GPT that and see why the hell I can't. But until then, I'll do it this way. There we go. Yeah, I'm gonna next time. I think I'm going to spend the money and get the bots and whatnot to run the giveaway, and they'll be on Twitter next time as well. Just like last time, that was fun. Got a new 4-hour coming here. This may be a 1, 2, 3 candle. Probably 786 too, right here, right? A little bit higher. Looking for a short here. Come back down to at least a 786. If this does indeed start to create a swing high on the 15, which is what we're looking at. Go 5 minutes for that. I could front run it. Where would that stop? What would that look like if I front run it? I really don't like how it's hanging on that 50% of that 15 minute, but it's not bad. Just going against, I don't know, the trend a little bit. Plus we have a new 4-hour. I'll just wait for it to close. I'll be patient. Be patient. Not in the trade, but that's kind of what I'm looking at right now. I'm waiting for the next 15-minute candle to, whoops. Looking for the next 15-minute candle to Well, once this closes, if it closes right, next 15 minute come up like that. Something along that line. If this closes right. If it doesn't close right, that idea is obviously toast. I think it will. With 2 minutes for it, it'll do it. All evals are 80% off at Nexgen until the end of the month. They even do 90% sometimes as well. If you're interested, go check out the rules and whatnot. They're straightforward, simple. Okay, this is shaping up. This is rejecting where we would want to see it reject. Kind of want it to see, kind of disrespect that right there too. Would be great. Like that. Just closest. You can go over. I'm not going to be... Whoever's closest, over or above. Over or under. And then if you all, two of you say the same thing, we'll do, and when we'll do a coin flip, or if three of you will do a random number generator. Or I'll have Siri pick. Something like that. Y'all gonna have a good chance to win. There we go, new 15. Come up here somewhere. Yeah, I shouldn't really enter a trade right before the giveaway, and then you guys just take profit as the entry, as the guess. Captain Edge is bullish. Yeah, we could sweep that. Either that or he's playing mind games with everybody. Say where you think it's not going to go, so everyone starts thinking about it, and then you come in with a low ball and win. Okay, it's doing things I want. A little bit too fast, though. Is that a fair value gap on this 15 or just, nope. Okay. Another one, it's kind of a lot of support through here. Hold on, I can I have all the rules on. this here. Actually, no, what I can do is this. Can y'all read that? Them's the rules. It's going to be a 50K eval from Nexgen Pro Trader Funding. Guess the price on the closing of the 214 candle. You need to guess by 210, which is in 7 minutes. One guess per person, closest wins, ties will result in a coin flip or random number generator, depending on how many people. If y'all guess the same thing, well, have to subscribe to my channel and follow Nexgen on Twitter. Obviously, if you win, you're gonna have to sign up for a Nexgen account anyway. Must be watching to win. This looks like it wants to just consolidate. Yep. One guess. Did I have a typo somewhere? Did I say one guess P person? No, one guess per person. That would have been funny. I have typos all the time. I'm not sure what you mean by next gen stats. Oh, it did create an order block on Bitcoin. Trying to follow them. I can copy and paste there. That's their Twitter. Right back in range. Didn't do what I wanted to continue lower. Captain Edge might be right. It's bullish. Captain, what do you think you would pump from here? Everyone's waiting last minute. Smart to wait last minute to put in your numbers. What's funny is no matter what time I come on, guys, it's just gonna chop. Oh, I gotta put it on live chat probably. Type your entries into the chat here, whether if you're on mobile or if you're on desktop. Just got a couple minutes to get your entries in. Wild Deuce, I didn't see any, you say a number. It's coming close. I think I have an alarm set. It'll scare the shit out of me when it goes off, even though I know it's coming. You guys got 2 minutes to enter. Well, almost a minute to enter. So if you want to enter this giveaway, what do you think it's going? The price is going to be at 214. Closest wins above or below. There you go, Rick. One minute, guys. Get your entries in, or Rick's just going to run away with another one. Well, Deuce, what was your guess? There you go, Willa. Captain Edge, what's your guess? Oh wait, Captain Edge was yours. Where did it go? I saw you put it in. Yeah, I think. Well, I think it's caught it as spam. That's why I asked, because I figured you said there's my entry, and then there was no number, so I think it got caught up in spam. You're good. I'm just deleting all yours because you win everything. We do only get one entry. What'd you say, Captain Edge? Can't find it now. And you guys have like a 1 in 5 chance of winning. And after you win, I think most of you are on Discord, so Discord me. I think Rick won last time too. We're not at 214 yet. Yeah, right. I think the numbers might be being hidden by friggin' YouTube if that's the case. And fuck YouTube. I'm just kidding. Okay, yeah, yours was 29,500. Okay, I was just making sure that was your entry. Oh, as I was saying, whoever wins, message me the email you use to sign up at Nexgen after you win. Oh my god, yeah. Yeah, who did that? Who did that? Will's over here hiding everyone's entries. It's gonna be funny when it God candles to have Wild Deuce win. Man, I wasn't even gonna stream today after the vet was late, but I'm like, shit, I promised everyone a friggin' eval, and I wanted to get it over to you guys. So the likelihood of me entering a trade is like non-existent. Gotta have the mindset to do it. Oh, she's going. Okay, we got 14 seconds. We need something spectacular to get to 500 for Edge to win. Who's the next one? Yep, no Trump tweet. It closed out at 467.50. Who won that one? Who was closest? Um, 467.50. 467.50. What'd you guess, right? Oh, there it is. $467.50. Okay, now I gotta do math. Damn it. You were 478.5. Minus close 467.50. Oh, that's 11. 11 points off. 467.50. I think it was you, Rick. Oh, Willa. Oh, God. Okay, Rick, you won, right? Nasdy, what was your guess? Rick, I think you got it. You've won both giveaways. All it took was a tornado. I hope everyone's okay and everyone's still doing all right. Hope the cleanup's going good. I'll have a bot do it next time, guys, I think. Or not next time, but when I come back. Next week I'm going to Arizona with my dad. Bucket list check off. Gonna go look at some ruins. Do some hiking. Make our way up to the Grand Canyon. hike up there a bit. Do all that fun stuff. This is just friggin' all it wants to do is barcode every time it consolidates. It's barcoding on the 15 forever. It's kind of crazy. I'll go to Wild Deuce. There'll be another giveaway this week that you can try to win. Maybe Wednesday or Friday. I'll think of a better way to do it. I saw a few influencers do it this way, and it's kind of fun, but it's hard to track. Bitcoin's doing the same thing. Don't come back down here yet. Gonna come back down. Looking for it to come back down to that order block. Yeah, it's just a day to stay out of it, right? Or, I mean, I don't have my right account up. I'll show you what I was scalping. There was nothing big. I just took some 1 minute candles. Let's see if I can remember where. No, I can't. Posted one of them in Discord. Oops. I was looking at a short earlier too, and it just ran this one here. I was looking for that. That just ran without anything for me though. Some of you caught that, which was nice. I took a long, off the 1 minute off the noon exactly. Oh yeah, this little bit right here. This. Oh yeah, file's way too big. I was gonna paste it on there. It's not even that great, so I'm spending too much time on a little freaking scalp. I took a scalp there. Figured that was going to be the wick, and I was just going to take it and sweep that, and that's what I did. Not very big, but I went pretty heavy for the account size. Then the other one I can't remember, same concept, I can't remember where it was. I'd have to switch accounts to get to it. It was on a short though. It was right before I came on. Nothing on Bitcoin, nothing on this, guys. I'm never trading this, I guess. I'm just never trading this because I always forget to. Okay guys, I've had enough of looking at chop action. There was some plays earlier. They're against my rules. I don't try to trade the barcode. So like I said, I had a couple scalps, nothing big. like $250, $300 today, nothing big. I was rotating accounts, so it was not copy trading. I was all set to copy trade again this week, and then it barcoded for an hour. So I'll see y'all tomorrow. There's more giveaways coming this week because I have 4 to give away this month, and I've not given away any of them except for today. Rick, congratulations. Hit me up on Discord with your email that you used to sign up on Nexgen. And I will see y'all on Discord. Appreciate y'all like always.